Hello friends, today I am going to unbox Toshiba Canaivo Advanced 3TB wired external hard disk drive. I had brought it from flipkart.com. As you can see, it is packed in hard cardboard casing. Here you can see the barcode and the QR code. You can scan the QR code on your phone and can get total details about the product. The MRP of the disk is rupees 13,000 INR, but I got a discount and brought it at a price of rupees 6,724 INR. As you can see, I am ripping it open. Here I am cutting it through. As you can see, a little bit more. It is tightly sealed from all sides so that the contents may not leak out, and the cardboard is also recyclable, as you can see. And here you can see the product a little bit more, and the product will be out soon. And now I am cutting it through, as you can see. And here, as you can see, this is the product. And here, as you can see, this is the bill. It is sent by Flipkart, and you can get total details about the product. And here, this is the bill, and here this is the hard disk drive. It is red in color. As you can see, it is also packed in plastic foam so that any damage to the device may not occur during seepage. And this is the Toshiba Canaivo Advanced 3TB wired external hard disk drive. As you can see, it is very nice and very stylish. And here, as you can see, the Toshiba Canaivo Advanced 3TB external hard disk drive is the best in the mode in Toshiba's lineup. As you can see here, it is written Toshiba Canaivo Advance, and now I am going to rip it open. It is also packed in thin polythene. As you can see, it has a glossy piano finish and it is shiny red in color, as you can see. And here, now I am opening it. Very nice and very stylish. And here, this is the hard disk drive. It is written Toshiba, and it has a USB interface of 3.0 with backup software, and also personal protection software is also provided along with it. It has a 3-year warranty, as you can see, and there are other details about the product. And here you can see it is very nice and very stylish, and on the back side you can see there are total details about the product, the name of the manufacturer and other things. And here, as you can see, it is also very nice, shiny glossy red in color with piano finish, and it is written Canaivo Advance, as you can see, and it is written Toshiba. And here, as you can, I am opening it. I have taken out my knife and I am cutting it through, and a little bit more, and the product will be out. And here it is almost done, as you can see. And here a little, and here, as you can see, it is also packed in hard plastic sign. And this is the box, as you can see. And now I am going to open the box. Here I am opening it, and this is the USB cable provided along with the product to power the device. It has a USB interface of 3.0, and as you can see, this is the cable, and the cable length is 45 centimeter. The cable is used to power the device, and as you can see, I am ripping it open. The cable ends in a standard USB port. With Canaivo Advanced USB 3.0, you will be able to transfer the backup on the go while powering the drive through your computer's USB connection. And as you can see, this is the cable, and it is black in color, very strong and very sturdy. And here, as you can see, this is the hard drive and the specifications about the product. This is the back side of the hard disk, and on this side it is written the brand name Toshiba, and it is very nice and very stylish. And I am now opening the box. As you can see, this is the hard drive. It has a glossy finish, as you can see, and this is the USB port. As you can see, you have to just plug in and play. And here, and here it is written the brand name Toshiba. Very nice and very stylish. You can avoid losing your valuable content with the included Toshiba storage backup software. The fast interface makes the backing up of your data a breeze. As you can see, this is the USB cable, and here this is the USB port. Just plug in the USB port and play. And here I am plugging the cable in the USB port. As you can see, I am going to plug it, and here as you can see, it is almost done. You have simply to plug in and play, and here it is almost done, as you can see. And you have simply to set the time interval for your backup and let the software take care of the rest. You can prevent the unauthorized access to your content with Toshiba storage security software. The Toshiba's Canaivo Advance comes with plug in and play on your computer, and it has an NTFS file system. And here as you can see, this is the hard drive. You have simply to plug in and play, and here it is written the brand name Toshiba, and as you can see, this is the hard disk. The Toshiba's Canaivo Advance provides a decent performance for its 5400 rotation per minute. Its file transfer has a decent speed of 148 Mbps. Toshiba's Canaivo Advance noise is barely noticeable and a low vibration operation, so there is no rubber feet at the bottom. Its system requirements are Windows 7 and above. It has a 3-year warranty, and as you can see, it is very nice and very stylish. The Toshiba's Canaivo Advance allows creators to do what they want to do at their best anywhere and everywhere in their lives, offering them a high capacity of storage, 24/7 access to your stored content, and time tested reliable performance. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye.